dear students, today we will discuss about a program. That program is transferring the data from one memory location to another location. The data is available in one segment, right? So in the last class we discussed about different types of instructions. Now we will go in detail about all those instructions. So when we will write the program, then you can clearly understand that each instruction, right? So some important instructions I explained in the previous classes. First go through that, right? Now we go through the transferring the data from one memory location to another location, right? So in order to do this, first we will go through the memory, right? So actually in 8086 microprocessor, how much memory is there? A number of times I told that is 1 MB of data is there. Yes or no? The total size is how much? 1 MB of data. This 1 MB of data is divided into how many segments? 16 segments. 1 MB of data is divided into how many segments? 16 segments. Right? After these 16 segments, how many data segments we are using? We are using only 4 segments. We are using only 4 segments. What are those? Data segment, core segment, stack segment, and extra segment. Core segment and extra segment. Right? Now what our program is, we have to write a program. Suppose let us consider data segment. In this is data segment. So what is the size of each segment? What is the size of each segment size? You please tell me. Each segment size. Each segment size is how much? 64 kilobytes. 64 kilobytes. Right? Now this is what we are telling is, this is the data segment. This is what? Data segment, or the size of data segment is how much? 64 kilobytes. The size of data segment is how much? 64 kilobytes. Now let us consider the starting address. The starting address of data segment is holds by the data segment register. Data segment register. Let us consider that is 2000. Let us consider that is 2000. This is the starting address. And the offset address. Offset address is initial how much? 0000. 0000. Now what I am telling is, here some data is there. Let us consider here some data is there. 1, 2, 3. Right? This offset address. This offset address is, let us consider 2000 and 1000. 2000, 1000. So what is the starting and maximum? 0000 to how much? Maximum is how much? Double F, double F, double F, double F. Right? And this is 2000 into 1001, and this is 2000 1002. Let us consider here it is there 22, and here it is 55, here it is 88. Each location stores how much data? 8-bit data. Right? Now I want to transfer this data to here. I want to transfer this data to here. Right? So let us consider this is how much? This is 2002 1010 1010. That is data segment offset address. And this is how much? This is 2000 into 1011 and 2000 1012. Right? Now what my program is, I want to transfer. I will explain here clearly. Let us consider this is data segment. Right? Here there is a 3 locations are there. So what is the data segment value here? 2000. Offset address is how much? 0000. Which segment it is? This is data segment. What is the size? 64 kilobytes. This varies from 000 to how much? F. Right? Now what is this location? Let us consider this is 2000 to 1000. Offset address. This is from offset address means how far it is from the base segment, that is base address. From it is let us consider 1000. Now it is considered 2000 to 1001. Now it is considered 2000 to 1002. right? So what is the data available at a particular location? Per particular location, how much data we can save? We can save 8-bit data, right? 2. How we can write 2? How we can write 00100010. This is 8-bit data, and here it is considered 3, and it is considered 4. Right? This data. In my program, you have to write a program that you have to transfer this position, these bits to here in this location. Actually, 22 is available in which location? 1000 location. And right, so here the location is 2002. Let us consider 1010. Okay, let us consider 2002 1011, 2002 1012. Right, this 22 should become here, 33 here, 44 here. Like that you have to write program. For that, how we can write the program? You please tell me. Right, so in order to write, shall we transfer the data from memory to memory directly? No, we cannot transfer the data directly, please remember. Now, this is program. Write a program, transfer the data which is available in this location, and transfer this data to another location which is available in the data segment. For that, we have to write the program. Right. So now I will explain clearly how to write the program. Right. So before writing the program, please understand that. So we are using data segment. We are using what? Data segment. Shall we write assign like this? Move ds comma 2000s. Shall we like this? Like this we will write the instruction? No, it is not available. Immediate data, this is immediate data. Immediate data should not transfer to the segment. Already I told in the addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. In this addressing mode, I told the destination should not be a segment address. The destination should not be a segment address. So for that, what we have to do? For that, what we have to do is move first that data segment address. What is the address of data segment? 2000. Transfer to AX. Transfer to AX. Now the data is moved to that AX data is moved to DS. Yes or no? Move to the DS. So like this we have to write, right? First we have to assign some segment register value. We cannot transfer the directly immediate value to the data segment, right? That is immediate addressing mode. In that immediate addressing mode, I will explain clearly. We cannot transfer the data directly to the segment. So that's why I am transferring first 2000H. I am transferring to the AX register. AX is 16-bit register. That 16-bit register is moved to the DS. Then it is valid. It is valid. Now what I have to do? Now in this 1000 location, what is the 1000 is? This is called segment address. This is called offset address. Remember, this is segment and this is offset. Right? Now I want to transfer this 22 to here. So the 22 data is, this is data and this is what? This is offset address. This offset address is contains 22, right? So suppose let us write like content of 1000. That means the content of 1000 is consist of how much? 22. Content of 1001, 33. Content of 1002, how much? 44. Now we have to move to the here. So shall we write like this? Content of 1000 is move, right? Move. Content of 1000 is moved to 1010. Is it right? You please tell me. Both should not be a memory locations. It is also invalid. It is also invalid. Remember, these two are invalid. We cannot transfer a memory location to memory location in 8086 microprocessor. 8086 microprocessor. Please remember this is right. We cannot transfer from here to here. So for that, what we have to do first? What is the data available in that particular location? First we have to move to 8-bit data, right? First we have to move to the AL, any general purpose register, right? Any general purpose register. From that register we have to transfer to this location, right? So how we can write that? How we can write that? Right? First, this what is the data is available here? Content of 1000. So I am moving move content of 1000. So that means what? Content of 1000 means what? 22. That is moved to where? AL. That is where moved to where? AL. Now I am transferring this AL. Now AL is consist of how much? 22. Now after executing this, the AL consists of how much? 22. That data is moved to where we have to move? Content of 1010. How we can write? Move content of 1010 AL. It is valid. So like that we have to write. Right? So simple. We will start with simple program. That program we will write here clearly. So first we have to assign data segment address. First we have to address data segment. How we can assign data segment address? Move AX comma data segment value how much 2000 H. Move AX comma 2000 H. Now next that data we have to transfer to move DS comma AX. So we cannot write like that. So that's why I am writing move DS comma AX. Now one memory location. How much data is there? Move AL comma content of 1000. So content of 1000 means how much? 22. The 22 is moved to this is destination and this is source. So content of this is called offset address, right? So that location consists offset address location consists of how much? 22 data. That 22 is moved to AL. Now I want to transfer that AL data to which location? Content of 1010. Remember that is. So now that move data is moved to here 22. Now the data is moved to 22. Next how we can write next move AL comma 1001 right. So you can write here H. Every time when you are writing you have to write H. That data again move where 1011 H. Move 1011 H to AL. Right. Now same move next which location? AL comma 1002 H. That data you have to write to move where 1012 H comma AL. Lastly you have to write heart. See, this is the way to transfer the data from one memory location to another memory location. Suppose in this we are transmitting how many bytes of data? We are transmitting 3 bytes of data. We are transmitting how many bytes of data? 3 bytes of data. Right? Suppose there are 10 bytes of data. How we can transfer every time? So that means the program is very more. Every time we are repeating, this is repeating. So every time we are repeating the same instruction. So for that by using some in 8086 microprocessor more than 20,000 instructions are there, please remember. So we have to use the instructions very efficiently. We can reduce the program. Right? So in the next class I will explain how we can reduce the number of instructions. Simply how we can reduce the number of instructions. If 3 bytes of data is required, okay, 3 times I am repeating. Suppose if there is 100 bytes of data, I have to transfer from one location to another location. So that means how many lines will be there? Once you remember, 200 into these 3, 203 lines will come. 203 lines will come. So it is very big. It is time consuming process. That's why we have to eliminate this repetition. For that, I have to use some different instructions. In the next class, I will explain clearly about that. Right? Until then, thank you.